welcome back. Today I was planning on doing a baby girl clothing haul, but Cody is using the microphone at work today, so I figured I'm not gonna do that. But my upstairs is a disaster, like so bad. I've been sorting through boy clothes, purging things, getting girl clothes from neighbors. It's just a mess. My bathrooms are a mess, my bedroom. So I really wanted to go ahead and tackle that, and I thought I'd bring you guys along. So I'm excited to get this taken care of and cleaned. It's been driving me crazy, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is get some laundry started. This is just a really nice thing to do first so that your load can be running while you're doing other things. So I had both lights and darks to do, as well as a bunch of folding. So I'm just gonna pop that load in the washer. And then the laundry detergent that I use is the all free and clear. It has no scents or dyes, so I really like that. And then something that has completely changed my whole laundry experience are these Downy Unstoppables. They're scent boosters. I love the botanical mist. I would love to find an affordable plant-based one, so if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them in the comments. These are the clothes that I've been sorting through. So I just went through and got rid of all of my boy clothes, and then did some swaps with some neighbors for girl clothes. So that has been a huge project. I've been working on it for a couple of days. So I have empty bins, bags, this little pile of boy clothes on the right. I still need to give to a neighbor. I still have one more trade to do. So I went ahead and just got all that packed up. This little couch on our landing came from IKEA. It was a hand-me-down, something that my parents had used for my brothers. I would love to get a slip cover for it or get a new one, but it is so nice to have in my loft area for folding laundry. I love plopping myself down on here and just going to town with my laundry. It just works out so well. This little landing hallway is central to all the bedrooms, so it's a really, really nice place to fold. It makes putting everything away really convenient. Next, I'm gonna tackle the bathrooms. I had done a haircut in here. I cut my boys' hair, and so then they always go right into the bathtub after I cut their hair because they're just covered. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the bathtub. There was tons of hair in here, so I just sprayed my 7th generation. This is a multi-purpose disinfecting spray. And then a hack that I love to use is one of these little dish scrubbers I like to use for cleaning the bathrooms, the bathroom sinks, the tub, the shower, all of that. So I went ahead and just sprayed it down, disinfected it a little bit because it definitely had been a little while. I have been finding pink confetti all over my house. I love that there was one on the toilet seat. This is from my gender reveal. I will go ahead and link it in the cards above for you guys. That was a lot of fun, but that confetti got all over. Look, there's still one back there. It is like, I absolutely love finding it all over the place. It just keeps reminding me that I'm having a little girl, and I love just picking them up as I go through the house. To clean surfaces, I love the Greenworks naturally derived wipes, and I had cleaned the toilet the day before, so I did not worry about that today, but I just like to take a wipe, and I try to do this every day or every other day and wipe down the counter. It literally takes me 20 seconds to do, and it just really freshens everything up. I also, as a quick clean, will go ahead and just use a wipe in my sink. It's not a thorough clean, it's not a scrub, but if I do this like every day, it just really helps keep everything polished. And then I'll go through and do like a good deep scrub like every week or twice a week. Then I like to change out my hand towels and make sure we have those fresh. And I have been obsessed with essential oils this whole year, this past year, not just 2018, but I've been loving them in different rooms in my house. This particular one that I've been loving is by Naturgix or Naturgix. I'm not really sure how to say that, but you can also get essential oil kits from this brand. So for today, I'm using 5 drops of sweet orange, 3 drops of frankincense, and 2 drops of lavender. This is just really, really nice and refreshing. And something else I like about this particular diffuser is it has a lot of steam. It's just really puffy, and I love that. It's like so satisfying to me. I'm gonna move on to the bedroom now.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect.
A method that I love to use is to make the bed first and then throw everything else onto the bed from the floor. So I do that, and then I will go around and pick up little bits of trash, and then I will address the things on the bed and go ahead and put those away. I'm trying to get Blake to put his little shirt away here, and he just, look at him. I don't know about you guys, but my nightstand gets really dusty, so I do like to wipe it down, clean it off every now and then. If you see this line, this mark on my nightstand table, this is from a glow stick that got broken open. It leaked, and I didn't know that it was leaking, and I had it on my dresser all night long, and in the morning the paint had completely come up. I'm not sure how I'm gonna fix that, but if you have any suggestions, would you please let me know? I don't know if I maybe need to sand the entire top down and just paint over it, or if I can patch it. I don't know, but that really bummed me out. Anyway, then I'm just moving on to our dresser, and I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging. Things just get really cluttered. My husband and I are both guilty of letting things pile up on here, and it's one of my goals to actually stop piling clutter on my dresser because it looks so nice when it's just fresh and clean.
Listen to old songs and headphones. Don't wanna wake up tomorrow. I know a place what you like.
I really wanted to vacuum my bedroom, but my vacuum wasn't working. It started smoking, and that usually means that the belt, something is wrong with the belt. It's either come off or it's tangled or something's caught in there, so I'm gonna have to take my vacuum apart. Unfortunately, I didn't get very far, and then I noticed that it was really not doing well, so I went ahead and turned that off. A new product to me is this Mrs. Meyer's Room Fresher in the honeysuckle scent. I love the honeysuckle scent. It is so sweet and light. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this gave you some inspiration to clean, some motivation. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!